Damn guys, right now, today is Tuesday, around 8 something, and we have Sky Blue Bentley Continental GT. Damn guys, check this out, the V class. With the number plate, perfect 9. Alright, another moment at Star Hill, and we have a GT63 4-door, I assume. It's a V8 or GT63S. And there I have two Mustang, one red, one in green, and the green one is convertible, soft top. And here we have a Lotus Electron. I don't know what variant is this. Let's check at the back. And Urus with a special plate, DX2. Unfortunately, he removed the variant badge. I think this is a base badge. Wow, check this out. We have an F8 in matte black at the Westin Hotel. Damn, it's a single digit number. Damn, this pack literally stunning. Full black, matte black and black rims, except the brake caliper is yellow. Guys, check it out. We have an Aventador here with SV kit, and then have a black series at the back. Damn, look at the huge wing, guys. AMG Black Series or Aventador with an SV kit. Which do you guys like to pick? Comment down in the section below. After an hour later, we have two identical Urus here. Look at this Urus and that one. Literally same. It's just that this one have a lot of carbons, a lot of carbon parts. One of 25. G900 Rocket Edition by Bubbles. Damn guys, check this out, Lexus. He make it freaking low, man. Look at the plate. Guys, check this G-Wagon out. Look at the plate. JJ9. Damn. Okay guys, right now we're at Park Royal Hotel and we have cars from Singapore. We have a 992 with a Tech Art wing, I assume, and a 997 Turbo S in a Golf livery. Look at that. And a Gallardo in black. Damn, this thing looks a lot of carbon. A lot of carbon. But this car never age, guys. If I have the chance to own a Gallardo or a Hurricane, I will choose this instead of a Hurricane. This thing is dope. It's a classic, man. It's a modern classic car right now. Look at it. Wow, apparently this is a Gallardo Superleggera. No wonder it looks so stunning. We also have a few sport car here. A Porsche 718, a Bentley Continental GT, and few Ferrari. I mean, all these are supercars. This one is with Misha kit, I think. And then that one is with the N-Lago kit, 488 GTB with N-Lago kit. Look at the S of the 488 Novitec with Novitec kit. Look how wide it is. Look at the S. Damn. Guys, look at this G-Wagon. Look at the plate. Gold. 1363, but it looks like a B63. This one I think is a Barbo's kit. Damn, look at it. We have a casual random SVJ at this washing bay. Check it out, guys. We have a SF90 here, but sadly right now it's raining. At least still got supercars coming out. Then check this out. Look at this Bravo's G63. Look at the plate also, matching the number 63. And let us go check at the front, guys. It's a two-tone color. It's a red lah, but it still looks quite nice with a carbon hood. With a big B. Look at this two-tone color. Gold on the top, black at the bottom. Look at it. How stunning it is. We have a special Range Rover here with a special plate. W9. It's $1 million plate, man. Guys, we have a Senna here, a Porsche here, a 710DS here. I think that one is a 718 or Cayman, I don't know how you guys name it. And a Urus Performante at the back. What are they, guys? It's a hypercar over here. Damn, guys, look at this Supra. Heavily modified. Damn, look how nice it is, the Supra. with the yellow LED headlamp. Not headlamp, the daytime running light. Damn. And the big wing. Too many people surrounding the Senna and got chased away by the guard there. Wow, there's a pink G-Wagon here, man. A pink G-Wagon, guys. A pink one. Damn, it's a lady owner. Damn. Alright guys, back at Star Hill again. Let's see what we have here today. Tonight, it's already past 9 o'clock right now. And we have a Hurricane Performante over here, guys. And a G-Wagon G63. This one is owned by Dato Vida, the Pink Lady Queen daughter. This one is her daughter car. Jack B, also known as Jack B on TikTok. You can share their IG or TikTok with their Chick B name. Look at the plate, number plate. CB stand for Chick B and 111. Apparently she's just 19 years old or 10 years old and she owns a freaking G63. What a life, guys. Okay guys, back at the usual place, we have this Ferrari 360 Modena, a convertible soft top over here, and a Gallardo white body. Look at it. Damn. Well, look at the huge wing, guys. And guys, we have a purple pista over there. Looks absolutely stunning, guys. It's a superb color. Guys, look at this GT3. Damn, look at the color. Look at the rims with blue line, blue accent. Check it out. Damn, what a nice GT3. Damn guys, they are having some events here. Under Armour at Star Hill.